A 5-year project has an initial and fixed asset investment cost of $270,000, an initial net working capital investment of $25,000, and an annual operating cash flow of negative $42,000. The fixed asset is fully depreciated over the life of the project and has no salvage value, which means its after-tax salvage at the end of the project is simply zero. If the required rate of return is 11%, what is this project's equivalent annual cost, or EAC? Before we calculate our project's net present value, we need to finish off our cash flow timeline. Since we had initial working capital investment of $25,000 at the beginning of the project, this working capital will be released or returned at the end of the project. We can now sum up our annual cash flows for our project and calculate the project's net present value using our 11% required rate of return. We find this project has a total overall cost and net present value of negative $435,391. Notice it involved cash outflows at time zero and additional cash outflows over the life of the project. The next step is to calculate the 5-year annual cash flow or annuity that has the same net present value or present value. So in our financial calculator, we'll enter negative $435,391 as the project's present value. Again, we were looking for a 5-year equivalent annual annuity because that was the project's life, and our required rate of return was 11%. Finally, for the future value, we enter 0 since we are looking for an annuity cash flow and no final terminal cash flow. The last step then is to solve for the payment, and we find the equivalent annual cash flow is negative $117,804. This would have a present value of negative $435,391, just as the 5-year cash flows generated by our project had a negative $435,391 net present value or present value. Thus, it is the equivalent annual cash flow. We would be indifferent between paying the cash flows outlined in step 1 or simply making an annual payment of $117,804.